To assemble the EI extractor ion source, assemble the ion focus lens, entrance lens, and lens insulator. Attach the extractor lens insulator to the extractor lens and slide them into the source body. Slide the assembled ion focus lens, entrance lens, and lens insulator into the source body. Install the set screw that holds the lenses in place. Install the interface socket. Assemble the repeller assembly by attaching the repeller, repeller insulators, washers, and repeller nut onto the source heater assembly. Attach the repeller assembly to the source body with the 2 screws and washers. Reinstall the filaments.